Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss the 7 wonders of the modern world. Here is a list of the 7 wonders of the modern world. The Cristo Redentor, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. The statue of Jesus stands some 38 meters tall atop the Corcovado mountain overlooking Rio de Janeiro, designed by Brazilian Heitor de Silva Costa and created by French sculptor Paul Lewandowski. It is one of the world's best known monuments. The statue took 5 years to construct and was inaugurated on October 12, 1931. It has become a symbol of the city and of the warmth of the Brazilian people who receive visitors with open arms. The Great Wall of China. The Great Wall of China was built to link existing fortifications into a united defense system and better keep invading Mongol tribes over to China. It is the largest man-made monument ever to have been built, and it is disputed that is the only one visible from space. Many thousands of people must have given their lives to build this colossal construction. Third, Machu Picchu, Peru. In the 15th century, the Incan Emperor Pikanshipuk built a city in the clouds on the mountain known as Machu Picchu, Old Mountain. This extraordinary settlement lies halfway up the Andes Plateau, deep in the Amazon jungle and above the Urubamba River. It was probably abandoned by the Incas because of the smallpox outbreak, and after the Spanish defeated the Incan Empire, the city remained lost for over 3 centuries. It was rediscovered by Hiram Bingham in 1911. Petra, Jordan. On the edge of the Arabian Desert, Petra was the glittering capital of the Nabatea Empire of King Aretas VI, 9 BCE to 40 AD. Masters of water technology, the Nabatea provided their city with great tunnel construction and the water chambers. A theatre modeled on Greek-Roman prototype had space for an audience of 4,000 to display storms of Petra with a 42-meter high Hellenistic temple faced on the Al-Lid monastery are impressive examples of Middle Eastern culture. Pyramid and Chichen Itza. Chichen Itza, the most famous Mayan temple city, served as a political and economic center of the Mayan civilization. Its various structures, the Pyramid of Kukulkan, the Temple of Kakmol, the Hall of the Thousand Pillars, and the playing fields of the prisoners, can still be seen today and are demonstrative of an extraordinary commitment to architectural space and composition. The pyramid itself was the last and arguably the greatest of all Mayan temples. Roman Colosseum, Rome, Italy. The great amphitheater in the center of Rome was built to give favor to successful legionaries and to celebrate the glory of the Roman Empire. Its design concepts still stand to this every day, and virtually every modern sports stadium some 2,000 years later still bear the irresistible imprint of the Colosseum's original design. Today, through films and history books, we are even more aware of the cool fights and games that took place in the arena, all for the joy of the spectators. Taj Mahal, Agra, India. Muslim was built on the order of Shah Jahan, the 5th Muslim Mughal emperor, to the honor the memory of his beloved late wife. Built out of white marble and standing is formally laid out walled gardens, the Taj Mahal is regarded as the most perfect jewel of Muslim art in the India. The emperor was consequently jailed, and it is said could only see the Taj Mahal out of his small cell window. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.